Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Y5p, and I'll show you how to change default apps on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll all the way down here to the apps section. Now just click here to the default apps, and here we can see that the different sections with, for example, the home apps, the phone, SMS, browser, app links, and more section. For example, we can go with the browser app, and now as can you see, we got selected the browser, regular Xiaomi browser. And now if we'll, for example, if somewhere will share with you with the link and you will open this link will open it in this browser, but you can change that, for example, to the Bing. And now by selecting the Bing, you can go back and you'll by this way save the new default browser. And now, for example, if someone will send you the link, your link will open just in the Bing browser here. So that's it, that's how to change default apps on our Huawei Y5p. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.